best way I can share because the light is reflecting and it's a mirror, it's a window behind me. But look at how beautiful and vibrant those pages are. And this is an awesome way to display. You know, we won't always see the book when it's closed or placed on our coffee table. So this is an awesome way to display artwork. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So I had to take 2 pages and merge them together. So those are actually 2 different pages. Like I took that and this and put it together and made it look like one print. So I tried to take similar images. Again, this is maybe off the same page with those balls, and it's a table. I felt like it was so fitting for the kitchen right there, so you can see it. And then this one is, let's show you without the glare. I'm sorry, it's a window behind me. So I'm doing what I can do, but there is the imaging up here. Again, that's 2 different pages. I need to kind of blend that, put this page behind it, but you can see where it starts and stops. So I love those details of the pages. This is the gold and white up here. Again, 2 different pages, but I blended the colors and the backgrounds together. And here. Using a beautiful book with awesome artwork and all of that is a great way to frame some art, and I believe it looks so beautiful over here. All right, let's move on to one of my nether finds. Look at this beautiful canvas that I found at some high-end decor store. I fell in love. It's actually a set of 2. I'm gonna go back and grab the other one today. She really didn't know the price, so she gave me a great deal. So I could not pass it up. I'm hoping I can get the second one for the great deal, because it didn't have any price tag on it. So the lady gave me a steal. I know this thing will cost way more than what I paid for it. But look at how beautiful this is. Look at the detail. Absolutely gorgeous. It matched my kitchen so well. All the colors, the grays, the metallics, the black. Absolutely beautiful. And again, there is my wall right here. I took this door off to see if I like it better without the door or not, going into my laundry room. But there you go. That's my artwork over here. I know you can't really see it. And then here, there you go. So that's how it looks in here. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so large, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'll probably have to store the second one away until we move out of this military housing, but nonetheless, it's an awesome addition. I'll try to insert a picture, show you what the 2 look like, but hopefully I'll grab the other one today. But I just wanted to share this beauty with you. It is so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, so look what I went to do. I went and grabbed the other one, so now I have a pair. I'm probably just going to store this one away.